Here we've got Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach settings, then find and select accounts. And actually we do have Google account here, so just mark it, and to remove it, tap on remove. Then if you truly want to perform this action, tap on remove. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. If you have some screen lock password, you will have to provide it, but my phone is not protected, so this is the whole operation. And then whenever you would like to add account, just tap on add account, pick Google. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever you have. And then tap on next. Now let's provide the password. And as only the password is entered, tap on next, and you will see this kind of panel. So now just mark if it's your device or your kiddos, and then tap on next. Here you've got the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy, so just read it, be aware of all the terms and conditions, and then tap on I agree, obviously, if you agree. And that's it. Tap on more, tap on accept then, and the account has been added. So that will be all. That's the whole operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.